Hey guys, welcome back to Arvin's Kitchen, and today I am going to be making my version of fried plantain chip using only 3 ingredients: the plantain, the vegetable oil for frying, and the salt for flavor. Folks, I usually buy a big bag of plantain chips that costs over 10 EC. And I have 5 plantain here that cost 9 EC. So I'm gonna fry these up and see if I get more than the bag of chips that I usually buy in the shop. I have the oil here heating, and now I'm going to peel the plantain and slice them so that I can get them ready for frying. So folks, this is how I peel my plantain. I cut off the top and then I cut off the bottom. And then I just put a slice through the skin of the plantain. This is how I take the skin off of the plantain. It's as easy as that. It is easy to peel. This is what it looks like when all the skin is off. When frying plantain chips, make sure your plantain is very green, or else the chips would not come out nice and crispy. They will become soggy. Folks, I have my oil here, my hot oil. Here is my strainer to strain the plantain chips, and my basin to hold the plantain chips to store them. So the oil is already hot, so I'm going to take an easy way out and put the slicer over the oil and slice my plantain over it. This method of slicing the plantain over the oil prevents the plantain from sticking together. The plantain drops nicely into the oil. Turn in your plantain for about 2 minutes until they get golden and crispy. It is not quite ready yet. It needs a minute more. Listen as I turn. The plantain is already crispy. You can hear it. So the plantain is already golden and crispy, so I'll drain it on the side of the pot for 30 seconds and put it in the strainer. So the plantain is golden and crispy. So I left it in the strainer for about 2 to 3 minutes, and now I'm going to put it in my storage container. So I'm gonna finish frying my plantain and see if I get more than the bag of chips that I usually buy. As you can see, I got way more plantain chips than I usually got in the bag that I usually buy from the store. I'm going to remove the napkins. And I'm going to add the salt for flavor. The plantain chips, they are not soggy or oily. They are golden and crispy. Now it's time for the review. Delicious! So I have so many plantain chips that will last me the week, so I'll store them in Ziploc bags. So I've already stored my plantain chips into the Ziploc bags to prevent them from getting cold. You can try this recipe out for yourself. Just don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.